Hi, and welcome to our open house for Kennedy High School Culinary Arts program. We're part of the CTE department, Career Technical Education, and the name of our pathway is called Food Service and Hospitality. We have two classes in the pathway, Culinary 1 and Culinary 2. Most students start in Culinary 1, in which they will learn the basics, and then another year of school, they have the opportunity to join Culinary 2 to expand their basic skills and learn more advanced techniques. Our curriculum comes from the National Restaurant Association, which is called ProStar. Students also participate in a workplace training program from the California Restaurant Association focused on finding, preparing, and working in a job. They're able to develop a portfolio which includes their resume, a cover letter. We practice doing job interviews. We talk about California laws for teenagers so they know what is allowed of them and the rights that they have as young employees. We always start the year off with basic safety and sanitation. Students learn what that means and what that looks like in a commercial kitchen. They go through a training process and become certified with a California Food Handler's Card. Students learn knife skills, how to properly use a chef's knife and perform a variety of different types of cuts used in the kitchen. They learn how to read and follow a recipe, as well as how to measure different ingredients properly. We focus on basic cooking and baking techniques, and then in Culinary 2, expand on those techniques. We spend time focusing on nutrition and why it is important to fuel our bodies with a variety of nutrients. They learn how to make little modifications to a dish to make it healthier. We take dishes served at fast food restaurants and tweak them a bit so they see healthy doesn't have to mean boring or less satisfying. As we go throughout the year, one of the mottos of the class is we eat with our eyes. So we emphasize the importance of an appearance of a dish, so they learn how to garnish and present a dish so it not only tastes good, but looks good as well. This year looked a little different since we were online. For many of our classes, I take my computer and camera into my kitchen and demonstrate for students from my home. For homework, they are asked to prepare things in their own kitchens. They have a variety of options to choose from when they complete their at-home kitchen lab, as you can see from the pictures on your screen. They have the option to actually cook or bake a dish. They can practice their knife skills by cutting fruits, veggies, even pieces of toast. A lot of students will help mom or dad prepare lunch or dinner, and then they turn that in as their homework. They do have a template, which they include pictures of the process. They're able to critique themselves on what they succeeded with and maybe what they can improve on. I encourage the students to get in the kitchen and not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are going to happen, and that's where we learn. I encourage them to be creative. Cooking can be exciting. A lot of times it's stress relieving, which is something we can all use right now. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what some of Kennedy's culinary arts students have been creating at home. I know there is a lot, but believe it or not, this is just 1 week of homework that I've put together for you. Be sure to check out some of our other CTE programs Kennedy has to offer. I hope you enjoy your evening, and thank you again for visiting with Culinary at Kennedy.